Yoga.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashelle.slaughters, and today we are back with another look. This look is inspired by Hair by Rail on Instagram. I'll be sure to insert a picture. So I've had the picture of this style on my phone for a while, and I've been wanting to recreate it. So my brand ambassador Deja is always down to do the creative looks I have in my head. So I show her this color and this style, and I was like, so we got to get to it, okay? So as you can see in the picture, it's a cute lock style with this really cute high Chinese looking bun. So I wanted to recreate that, but with braids. So instead of locks, the middle section will be knotless braids, and the size will still be knotless, but I wanted to do a pop of color. So I used this green Ruwa brand hair, and it all came together. Alright, so feeding braids are not my strong suit at all. And they are definitely not my favorite style to do. I can do them, but I'm still working on perfecting them, getting the perfect size, the right parting size, where it's not too small, not too thick, stuff like that. So I'm really not a fan of feeding braids, but I can do them, you know. But one thing I have learned is that there's different ways to do them. If you watch my tribal braids video, if you haven't, I'll link it above. I used the comb in that video because I didn't have the nail that I have in this video. But you can either do it with the nails or with the comb. It pretty much gives you the same effect. And when you practice it, the better you'll get at them. I think I do prefer it with the nails, but I don't want to get my nails done, so I just went to the store, bought a little pack of the little press-ons, popped some glue on them bad boys, put them on my fingers, and I took a nail file, filed them down so they could be a little pointy, and we was good to go, okay? So as I said before, the middle section where the locks are in the original style will be knotless braids. I already have a few videos on knotless braids, so I'm not gonna really talk through it. I'm just gonna kind of let y'all vibe out. But if you have any questions about how I do my knotless, what kind of hair I'm using or anything like that, make sure you leave it in the comments.
Brian Little.
Yoga.
Brian Little.
Yoga.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it, all that. Make sure you cut your notifications on so you can be seeing my videos. I'm in notification gang shout outs. So make sure you cut your notification bell on because it's ready to be lit. I'm ready to get real lit with the uploads. I've been playing, but I ain't playing no more. Okay? I'll catch y'all on my next one.